Hello, my name is Derek Chapin, Lead Solutions Consultant from OpenText. Today, I'm going to show you a little feature that sometimes gets overlooked that will help you with your content transformation needs. Of course, our customers are familiar with Blazon's easy-to-use drag and drop bulk transformation process, where users can drop a wide range of content into a monitored folder to be transformed. And they are familiar with Blazon's URL-based transformation workflow, where you can use a URL that will trigger a transformation. But what we have found that some customers were unaware of is our text-based job monitoring feature, where organizations can create a transformation job using a text file and then dropping that file into a folder to trigger the transformation. Let's see how that works and why it is such an important third tool that's included with the Blazon solution. I mentioned the convenience of Blazon's drag and drop feature, where organizations can drop a wide variety of documents into a monitored folder to have each document transformed into a PDF or a TIFF. But what do organizations do when each transformation has a unique set of parameters, or they want to transform a bunch of content into just one PDF? Well, that's where Blazon's push.aspx URL feature can be powerful. You can micro-define exactly what you want each job to do as separate parameters within the URL with lots of flexibility and control. This allows each transformation job to be unique. But what if at that point the URL just gets too long to be handled by a browser? A common side effect of trying to utilize all the parameters that are available to Blazon. Or what if you want to trigger your transformation jobs by building a text file via JavaScript or another programming language? Well, that's where the directory job getter feature comes into play. It's as easy as creating a text file and listing all the parameters you want for that specific job. Then, when you are done, you drop the text file into the monitored folder, where it will immediately get picked up and execute the transformation as requested. In the setup for this feature, it couldn't be easier. You simply go into Blazon's job processor.config file, scroll down to the job retrieval configuration section, and uncomment the 3 job getter lines that are set up for the directory watch job getter area. And once you restart the job processor, it's ready to go. I just showed you how to use OpenText Blazon's powerful directory job getter option for simplifying your transformation workflows. OpenText Blazon provides best-in-class document transformations with automatic batch file conversion from original formats into PDF or TIFF. Blazon integrates with workflows and other business processes for complete secure document lifecycle management. Did this demonstration resonate with your business needs? Reach out to the OpenText Blazon sales team at igcsales@opentext.com to discuss your potential next steps.